Hello, ninth standard students. Um, in this video, we will be doing English literature. Hope you all got your books of ninth standard. In English literature, that is Beehive textbook of English for ninth standard. Today, we will be doing with the first lesson, and that is The Fun They Had by Isaac Asimov. Okay, Fun They Had is, I must say, is a very beautiful story about. We can compare these days with this story actually. किस तरह हम 2-3 months पहले स्कूल जाते थे. We all friends were going in van, and we all friends were sitting in class making fun of others, including teachers also. सो अलग अलग एक्सपीरियंस होता है स्कूल जाने का. कभी किसी को फ्रेंड बनाया, कभी किसी के साथ झगड़ा, एंड दिस एंड दैट, राइट. एंड now what happens now, due to this coronavirus, we all are sitting in our own home. We are not able to meet our friends, and of course we are studying, but it is completely different way. Now we are studying online, right? Now studying online doesn't create that environment which environment we get in school, isn't it? Do you all agree with me or no? Okay, I hope you people will definitely agree with me in this. Okay, now this story actually is not related to coronavirus or this today's situation, but this story is actually related to 2157th year. मतलब अभी तो 2020 चल रहा है, तो like almost 1 century after this year, what kind of situation will be, how students will be studying, and will they have schools or will they have online classes due to day by day new inventions and all. That all things are there in this lesson. Okay, if you see this chart, or okay, let us start word to word so that you people understand it. And at the end of this video itself, I'll be giving you few question answers also, which you have to sort out in your English notebook. You all have to make a separate English notebook in which you will be writing answers of not only literature of English textbook, but as well as for supplementary lessons also. You will be writing question answers in one separate notebook. For grammar, we'll be making another notebook. Okay, now if I go ahead, the story we shall read is set in the future, when books and schools as we now know them will perhaps not exist. How will children study then? The diagram below may give you some idea. See, schools of future: learning through classroom, computer, virtual classroom, robotic teacher, moving e-texts. दैट इज़ अब फ्यूचर में टाइम ऐसा आ जाएगा मे बी के स्कूल्स कम्प्लीटली बंद हो जाएं, पेपर्स कम्प्लीटली बंद हो जाए, क्योंकि वी नो पेपर्स आर मेड बाय ट्रीज. स्पेशल रॉ मटेरियल रिक्वायर्ड टू मेक पेपर इज़ ट्री, राइट. सो पेपर्स की प्रोडक्शन अगर बंद हो गई तो ऑब्वियसली ऑनलाइन सिस्टम ही चलेगा स्टडीज़ के लिए. एंड ऑनलाइन सिस्टम्स चलेगा तो क्या स्कूल होंगे इन फ्यूचर, और अगर स्कूल होंगे तो किस तरह के स्कूल्स होंगे. In pairs discuss 3 things that you like best about your school, and 3 things about your school that you would like to change. Write them down. Okay, you can just think about which 3 things you like about school and which 3 things you want to change in school. Have you ever read words on the television or computer screen? Can you imagine a time when all books will be on computer and there will be no books printed on paper? Would you like such books better? So choice is yours. क्या आपको ये सिस्टम जो प्रेजेंटली चल रहा है, do you like this system or you people like school? Let's begin the lesson instead of going in some another discussion. So let's begin our lesson only. Margie even wrote about it at night in her diary on the page headed 17th May 2157. This is year. She wrote, "Today Tommy found a real book." टॉमी एक लड़का है 13 ईयर्स का, मार्गी इज़ ऑफ 11 ईयर ओल्ड गर्ल. टॉमी को एक आज सचमुच की बुक मिली. ओके, इट वॉज अ वेरी ओल्ड बुक. मार्गीज ग्रैंडफादर वंस सेड दैट when he was a little boy, his grandfather told him that there was a time when all stories were printed on paper. Okay, मार्गी ने जब टॉमी के हाथ में रियल बुक देखी तो मार्गी को याद आया कि उसके ग्रैंडफादर ने उसको बताया था कि जब वो छोटे थे, दैट इज़ जब ग्रैंडफादर छोटे थे, तो ग्रैंडफादर के ग्रैंडफादर ने बताया था कि जब उनका टाइम था पढ़ने का तो सारी जो स्टोरीज़ थी वो पेपर पर प्रिंट होती थी. दैट ऑल द स्टोरीज वर बीइंग प्रिंटेड ऑन पेपर. They turned the pages which were yellow and crinkly, that is yellow and many folds were there in paper. That is Tommy and Margie was turning paper of real book and they were seeing all these pages, and it was awfully funny to read words that stood still instead of moving the way were supposed to on a screen. You know, and then here awfully means greatly. मतलब वी कैन टेल सरप्राइजिंगली. उन लोगों को सरप्राइज हो रहा था कि वो लोग जब पेज टर्न करके वर्ड्स देखते थे तो वर्ड्स मूव नहीं हो रहे थे, वो एक जगह पर स्टूड थे. एंड लाइक हाउ दे पीपल आर लर्निंग. टॉमी एंड मार्गी जिस तरह से लर्निंग कर रहे हैं, दे आर लर्निंग फ्रॉम स्क्रीन, एंड ऑन स्क्रीन देर आर मैनी टाइम्स वर्ड्स मूविंग. Okay, so it became difficult for them, but on pages the words were very much stood stable. And then when they turned back to the page before, it had the same word on it that it had when they read it at the first time. That is, अगर आप अब now take example of this book, if you will take out this book, कभी भी आप ये book open करो, the very first page you will obviously see this forward and you will obviously see this only. It's not going to change in this, right? तो उसी तरह से they were very shocked by seeing a real book. That said Tommy, what a waste. When you are through with the book, you just throw it away. I guess our television screen must have had a million of books on it, and it's good for plenty more. I would not throw it away. Now Tommy ये सोच रहा है कि मतलब जब आप बुक पूरी पढ़ लेते हो, जब आपका एग्ज़ाम्स ओवर हो जाते हैं, यू माइट बी थ्रोइंग दीज बुक्स अवे, यू माइट नॉट बी टेकिंग केयर ऑफ दीज बुक्स, बट आवर स्क्रीन ऑन विच वी आर स्टडिंग, over there we have a number of books in it, and still so many books can be saved in our screen. Same with mine, said Margie. She was 11 and hadn't seen as many textbooks as Tommy had. He was 13. She said, "Where did you find it?" "In my house," he pointed without looking, because he was busy reading in the attic. Attic matlab meaning is written on side only, a space just below the roof used as the storeroom. That is now Margie asked question to Tommy that from where did he found that book. So Tommy didn't even looked at Margie. He was busy reading the book and he answered that he found that book in his house in the attic. Attic we can tell a type of storeroom. Okay, what's it about? ये किसके बारे में है? मार्गी इज आस्किंग क्वेश्चन and Tommy is telling it is about school. Margie was scornful that is something is worthless. स्कूल मतलब क्या? मार्गी को स्कूल से वैसे ही पहले से ही बहुत नफ़रत होती थी, तो स्कूल मतलब उस टाइम के स्कूल, दैट इज़ 2157 में जिस तरह के स्कूल्स हैं उन स्कूलों से मार्गी को नफ़रत थी. उसको ये नहीं पता था कि सेंचुरीज पहले किस तरह के स्कूल्स चलते थे. सो शी वॉज थिंकिंग स्कूल, व्हाट्स देयर टू राइट अबाउट स्कूल, आई हेट स्कूल. स्कूल के बारे में क्या लिखना, मुझे नफ़रत है स्कूल से. सो मार्गी वॉज टेलिंग दैट Margie always hated school, but now she hated it more than ever. The mechanical teacher had been giving her test after test in geography, and she had been doing worse and worse until her mother had shaken her head sorrowfully and sent for the county inspector. दैट इज़ मार्गी को स्कूल बिल्कुल अच्छा नहीं लगता था. नाउ देर वॉज अ रीज़न वाई मार्गी वॉज नॉट नॉट लाइकिंग द स्कूल एट ऑल. ओके, मार्गी को क्यों स्कूल अच्छा नहीं लगता था? बिकॉज मार्गी वॉज गेटिंग लॉट्स ऑफ होमवर्क बाय मैकेनिकल टीचर. ओके, लाइक ऑनलाइन सिस्टम में वो स्टडीज़ कर रहे थे एंड दे वर गेटिंग लॉट्स ऑफ होमवर्क, and that also homework and test Margie was getting in geography subject, and again homework, again and again test. Her performance was not improving. Her performance was day by day going worse and worse and worse. Now mother of Margie was worried about her situation, so she called inspector to inspect the screen. That is हो सकता है कुछ ना कुछ खराबी हो स्क्रीनिंग में, सॉफ्टवेयर में, तो उन्होंने इंस्पेक्टर को बुलाया. ही वॉज अ राउंड लिटल मैन विद रेड फेस एंड वुड and a whole box of tool with dials and wires. He smiled at Margie and gave her an apple, then took the teacher apart. Here teacher matlab screen. Okay, that is he took that screening apart on which Margie was doing her lessons. Margie had hoped he would not know how to put it together again, but he knew how all right, and after an hour or so there it was again, large and black and ugly, with a big screen on which all the lessons were shown and the questions were asked. ओके, जब वो इंस्पेक्टर वो स्क्रीन को लेकर गया तो मार्गी ये दुआ कर रही थी कि लाइक होता है ना कि ये स्क्रीन बने ही ना इस इंस्पेक्टर से और मुझे ये स्क्रीन दोबारा मिले ही ना, क्योंकि मुझे ऐसे नहीं पढ़ना, मुझे इतने सारे टेस्ट नहीं देने. बट वो तो इंस्पेक्टर था एंड दैट इंस्पेक्टर वॉज एक्सपर्ट वेरी मच. He was knowing how to repair that, so he immediately repaired, and after an hour he became that the big screen back to his room, and again they were doing with lessons. Okay, so that wasn't so bad. Now inspector is telling कि इतना भी मतलब sorry, that wasn't so bad. The part Margie hated most was slot. Okay, ये इतना बुरा नहीं था कि वो this was not so bad कि he repaired the screen and that screen was again fitted in her room. But Margie को सबसे ज़्यादा नफ़रत किससे थी कि जब उसको where she had to put homework and test papers. This was very worst thing for Margie कि मुझे इतना सारा होमवर्क करके टेस्ट पेपर्स का रेडी करके एक सेक्शन में पुट करना, एंड शी ऑलवेज हैड टू राइट देम आउट इन अ पंच कोड. they made her learn when she was 6 years old. That is, right from 6 years old, she was learning punch code, in which she was entering homework of all the classes and all the subjects. And the mechanical teacher calculated the marks in no time. और मैकेनिकल टीचर तो टेस्ट पेपर चेक करने में ज़रा भी टाइम नहीं ले रहे थे. दे वर इमीडिएटली चेकिंग द पेपर्स एंड इमीडिएटली दे वर गिविंग रिजल्ट ऑनलाइन for all the test and hard work Margie was doing. So this was the thing she hated very badly. Then the inspector had smiled after he was finished and patted Margie's head. He said to her mother, "It's not a little girl's fault, Mr. Jones. I think the geography sector was geared a little too quick. Those things happen sometimes. I have slowed it up to an average of 10 years level. Actually, the overall pattern of her progress is quite satisfactory." And he patted Margie's head again. अब इंस्पेक्टर ने वो स्क्रीन रिपेयर कर दी थी और रिपेयर करने के बाद उसने मार्गी की मॉम को बताया कि देर वॉज नॉट अ मार्गीज़ फॉल्ट. मार्गी की कोई गलती नहीं थी कि शी वॉज नॉट डूइंग वेल इन जोग्राफ़ी. एक्चुअली जोग्राफ़ी का जो सेक्टर है वही गियर्ड अप हो चुका था. दैट इज़, उसका लेवल थोड़ा बढ़ चुका था मार्गी की एज लेवल से. ओके, एज लेवल से बढ़ चुका था. और ऐसा कभी होता है कि एज लेवल से कुछ ज़्यादा ही अपडेट हो जाए आपका सॉफ्टवेयर. सो आई स्लोड इट अप टू एन एवरेज एज ऑफ 10 ईयर लेवल. तो मैंने जो ज्योग्राफी का सेक्टर है वो 10 ईयर्स तक ही लिमिटेड रख दिया है अभी. सो नाउ मार्गी विल नॉट फेस एनी प्रॉब्लम ऑफ हर वर्स परफॉर्मेंस एंड ऑल. And overall pattern of Margie, he even added, that inspector even added कि मार्गी की ओवरऑल परफॉर्मेंस काफ़ी सेटिस्फैक्टरी है, वो अच्छा वर्क कर रही है. Margie was disappointed. She had been hoping they would take the teacher away altogether. They had once taken Tommy's teacher away for nearly a month because his history sector had blanked out completely. So मार्गी को कुछ खुशी नहीं हुई कि उसकी जो स्क्रीनिंग थी वो दोबारा उसके रूम में लग गई. एंड क्योंकि उसको ऐसा था कि ये इंस्पेक्टर जो है वो स्क्रीन को लेकर चला जाए, क्योंकि उसने देखा था कि टॉमी के पास जो स्क्रीन थी उसको लगभग इंस्पेक्टर 1 मंथ तक लेकर चला गया था. क्योंकि उसका हिस्ट्री सेक्टर, वो जो कंप्यूटर और वी कैन टेल वो जो ऑनलाइन सिस्टम था उसमें हिस्ट्री सेक्टर वाज कम्प्लीटली ब्लैंक्ड आउट, कि वो हिस्ट्री सेक्टर कम्प्लीटली मिसिंग था. तो उसको रिपेयर करने में इंस्पेक्टर को ऑलमोस्ट 1 मंथ लगा. एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट टॉमी 1 मंथ तक फ्री रहा था. So she said, "Tommy, why would anyone write about school?" So this was the points. Actually, 3rd point, 4th point and 5th point is related to the exact reason why Margie was not loving school at all. Margie को स्कूल अच्छे क्यों नहीं लगते थे, इसके बारे में ये वजह है 3rd, 4th and 5th point जो वो टॉमी को बता रही थी. बट टॉमी वॉज वेरी मच सरप्राइज्ड विद लुकिंग रियल बुक ओनली. ओके, एंड नाउ अहेड द स्टोरी फ्रॉम 6th point we will continue in my next video. Okay, so take care everyone, and see that you just go through reading of these all stories. Okay everyone, bye bye.